This is almost 75% rocks, reusable rocks. You're going to keep using the same rocks for 2 years. This is an eco stove puller. It's a single stove of a semi-commercial size. Right now we're cooking a pot of water, and like you can see, it is aided with a solar system. That is a battery there. It is receiving charge from a solar panel. We've already erected it up, and the battery is already charged, so we have enough energy to run this fan here. Like you can see, it's running on maximum because we want maximum fire right now. But if I want, I can reduce using this controller here. It's called a dimmer dial. So if you feel like the fire is a little too much, you can always reduce. And if you want, you can always run on maximum or medium or lowest, depending on what we are cooking or what you're cooking. So right now our pot of water is ready. I can always switch off the fan and switch on whenever I feel like, if I have something I'm going to cook. So one of the advantages of this puller is that you can always have a sense of self-reliance. You can always pull the fire out. For example, if your pan is burning, if your food is burning, if you want to maybe mingle the portion or doing something petty to the food, you can always pull your fire out and you do whatever you want to do there. The other advantage of the puller is that you can always have a sense of, you can always put different sizes of the saucepan. For example, this is a medium saucepan. I can put a pan as big as this one and as small as the other one. This is a 40 liters saucepan. This is a 50 liters, and the other one is 30 liters. So they can all fit on the same burner. You're chilling when the rain, you're some kind of butterfly.